Join me today as I make these peach bourbon glazed chicken wings. Oh my.
Okay, so today I woke up, decided I wanted some wings, so here I got my wings. Go and get these cut open. You've seen it a million times. Fast forward you through this. Just go and get my knife sharpened real fast. Just gonna use this Brad & Taylor sharpener I got here. If you want one of these, they work really nice. I'll put a link down in the description.
All right, let's go ahead and pick our winner from last week's bourbon video. I'll occasionally just do a random giveaway, not put it out there for people that watch all the way through the video. This hashtag was pick me. And it looks like Demoose 1829 won the Glencairn from the last video. Congratulations. I'll reach out to you.
Okay, it's about 11:30. Gonna have these for dinner, so go ahead and get the workhorse here set up. Got some nice big splits in here to make a nice charcoal bed. You're gonna use our sous vide gun to get everything lit up. Okay, got a nice fire going here. Gonna let this turn into a coal bed. We'll start throwing some more sticks on here eventually, and we'll get our chicken wings going. I'll bring it back. Go ahead and get our chicken wings on. Just kind of open this up. I have my meat probe going there. Monitor temps. That closer to that split. And I have my future splits back here, drying out. I'll bring you back whenever it's time to do anything else. Go ahead and take a look at these. Nice, they're about 125 inside. There's more wood on. This is split I stole from here. Close this down. And keep our coal bed going here. Okay, while the wings are smoking, gonna go ahead and get our sauce ready. I'm going to be using 2 cans. I have no sugar added. Sliced peaches, about 29 ounces total. Dump that in a blender. Juice and all. About a 1/4 cup of honey. Use whatever you like. I like clover honey, so I'm going to use that. Just squirt that in. Like I said, about a 1/4 cup. Now about a 1/2 cup of bourbon here. A little bit more. I'm going to do 3/4 cup. Juice of 1 whole lemon. Some Louisiana style hot sauce. I'm using Texas Pete. Don't tell me it's not Louisiana style. It is. About a tablespoon. Overshoot it if you want to. I sure as hell am. And 3 cloves of garlic. I'm using granulated garlic, so just kind of guess here. 1, 2, 3. Get the lid on. High for about 20 seconds. All right, and a pan over medium. Dump in our peach glaze. And let that simmer for about 2 hours. All right, we're hitting about the 170 mark inside of the chicken wings, so I'm gonna take a look at these. They're getting nice and crispy on this side. Just gonna take these really quickly. Turn these guys around. Shut this back down. Skin's getting nice and crispy. Not going to touch them though. And I'll bring you back shortly. Let's go ahead and get all these chicken wings into a container to get sauced. Nice and crispy texture. Some of our peach sauce. That tossed. Spread back out. I'm going to take all of our sauced wings, throw them in a bowl here. Even with that sauce being extra tacky, we're going to go ahead and throw it direct on the heat. And dump our wings on direct heat. About 30 seconds here. All right, let's go ahead and give these guys a try. They're nice and crispy. Absolutely delicious. A nice simple base for a wing. Throw whatever sauce you want to. You don't want to use my sauce, you choose barbecue sauce or whatever you prefer. Simply delicious, simple wings. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Do all the YouTube things, like, comment, subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.